Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Jio Phone model and that it supports 4G LTE and VO LTE. This matters because voice requires VO LTE. Once done, update system apps and settings so the modem has latest profiles. Next, power off, insert the Android Jio SIM into the correct tray, and note the SIM PIN. Make sure battery is above 50%. If you rush with low power, the activation can fail. Insert carefully to avoid tray damage, and then power on to begin network registration. You now enable mobile data and VO LTE and SIM settings so calls and internet work together. VO LTE is essential for Jio Voice on LTE. Then go to Access Point Names and create or edit an APN named Jio with APN value G on it. Leave MMSC and proxy blank unless your operator gave values. Save and select that APN. After making changes, restart the phone to force the modem to re-register with the network. When it comes up, verify you see LTE or 4G and signal bars. You finish by testing both voice and data. Place a call while browsing a site or using an app to confirm VO LTE. Observe the VO LTE or HD icon. If you don't get service, power off and reset the SIM, then try the SIM in a compatible Android phone to isolate the issue. This tells you whether it's SIM activation or phone compatibility. If problems persist, contact carrier support for provisioning. As a final step, consider a factory reset only after backing up your data and exhausting other fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.